above all things love myself. But I must above all things love myself. That I must above all things love myself. I saw a girl in a crowd, I ran over, I shouted out, I asked her to take her out, but she did not want to. I changed the sheets on my bed, I pulled the hair across my head, I sucked in my gums till she said, that she just don't want to. I read her Elliot, read her Yeats, I tried the best to stay up late. I fixed the hinges on a perfect little gate. But she just don't want to. I bought her a dozen Snow White doves, I did her dishes in rubber gloves. I called her my little honeybee. I called her love. But she just don't want to. She just never ever wants to. Every type of flower, played the guitar by the hour. I petted her little floating little chihuahua. But even then she just don't want to. I thought I'd try another tack. I drank a liter of cognac. I tossed her down upon her back. But even then she just don't want to. Damn. I thought I'd have another go. I called her my little hoe. I felt like fucking Marcel must feel when she looked up at me and she smiled at me. She waved at me. But deep down she just don't want to. I got the cold crystal blue. I got the cold crystal blue. I got the cold crystal blue.